We are Southeast Emergency Communications. It is our mission to provide the communities and public we serve the most skilled and efficient emergency 911 public safety communications available. As the vital link between the public and emergency police, fire, and medical services, we at SEECOM pledge professionalism, pride, and integrity in every interaction. By providing the highest quality services through continued education and our steadfast commitment to excellence, we will help save lives and protect property. Southeast Emergency Communications, SEECOM, is a state-of-the-art, consolidated regional 911 public safety answering point and dispatch center. It was established in 2003 through an intergovernmental agreement between the Village of Algonquin, the Village of Cary, and the City of Crystal Lake. This consolidation helped reduce infrastructure, personnel, and capital costs for the agencies by sharing resources and realizing efficiencies. Today, SEECOM proudly serves a residential population of over 200,000 in an area that exceeds 100 square miles via 16 agencies, including Algonquin Police, Algonquin Lake in the Hills Fire, Cary Fire, Cary Police, Crystal Lake Fire Rescue, Crystal Lake Park District Police, Crystal Lake Police, Fox River Grove Fire, Huntley Fire, Lakewood Fire, Lakewood Police, McHenry County College Police, Nunda Rural Fire, and Oakwood Hills Police. In addition, services provided to the Mutual Aid Box Alarm System, MABUS Division 5, where SEECOM is the primary dispatch center, and the Illinois Public Works Mutual Aid Network, IPWMAN. SEECOM began operations in October 2005 and is securely housed in the Crystal Lake Municipal Complex through a multi-year lease agreement. Entry into the facility is video monitored and access controlled by staff or credentials. Managing SEECOM's operation and a $2.9 million annual budget is an executive director with over 22 years of public safety communications experience and a deputy director with over 21 years of experience. All payroll, human resources, and financials are handled at SEECOM without impact to the member agencies through the assistance of an administrative assistant. In the fall of 2015, SEECOM implemented a new cloud-based financial system along with an integrated payroll system to increase efficiencies and transparency. An annual audit is conducted, and SEECOM has consistently received an unmodified audit opinion. The operational component of SEECOM is staffed with 20 full-time telecommunicators and 5 shift supervisors. Combined, the staff has over 200 years of public safety experience. Normal operations utilize 5 fully redundant positions, and the minimum staffing is 1 supervisor and 4 telecommunicators from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m., and 1 supervisor and 3 telecommunicators from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. In the event of routine maintenance, significant events, backup needs, or future expansion, SEECOM has the immediate availability of 4 additional fully redundant positions. This 9-position area has been recently evaluated and can be expanded to 15 positions within the same footprint. SEECOM is an ADA-compliant facility and is also equipped with a full kitchen, vending area, break room, mailroom, locker area, and bathrooms, all of which are exclusive to the staff of Southeast Emergency Communications. In calendar year 2014, SEECOM staff handled over 72,000 calls for service and processed nearly 250,000 phone calls. The calls for service and 911 call volume is approximately 1/3 of that handled within McHenry County. In addition, SEECOM handles 24/7 leads monitoring and entries for agencies. SEECOM and the McHenry County Sheriff's Office provide backup services in the event of 911 outages, equipment failure, or evacuation needs. Both agencies can support CAD, phone, and radio, including VHF, UHF, 800, and STARCOM dispatching services for the other in short or long-term duration. The supervisory staff is certified through the Association of Public Safety Communications Officials, APCO's Communications Center Supervisor course. Staff involved in training have been certified through APCO's Communications Training Officer course as well. All line employees have been certified emergency medical dispatchers through the National Academy of Emergency Dispatch and registered with the state of Illinois. SEECOM is providing quality assurance on over 200 medical calls monthly and progressing towards becoming recognized as an accredited center of excellence. SEECOM obtained recognition from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children's Missing Kids Readiness Project in August 2015. This partnership ensures that SEECOM has completed training and implemented policy consistent with industry best practices. These policies have been recognized by the American National Standards Institute, ANSI, for handling calls involving missing, abducted, and sexually exploited children. SEECOM was the 218th partner nationwide and one of only 14 in the state of Illinois to join forces with NCMEC. In addition, SEECOM is currently completing application to APCO to receive agency training certification. This certification verifies that SEECOM's training program meets or exceeds all requirements addressed in the 2015 APCO-ANSI minimum training standards for public safety telecommunicators. A very small percentage of dispatch centers across the nation have achieved this status. SEECOM is also a member agency of the Illinois Telecommunicator Emergency Response Task Force, TERT, which is an intergovernmental mutual aid program intended to provide teams of highly qualified 911 public safety telecommunicators to rapidly respond to disaster situations anywhere in Illinois or provide assistance to other Illinois PSAPs encountering a crisis situation. As a member, SEECOM not only can receive this assistance, but has a team of trained staff who are deployable. SEECOM has a Police and Fire Advisory Board, which meet bi-monthly to provide advisory recommendations to the Executive Director and Executive Board. These recommendations include day-to-day operations, policy creation, short and long-term range planning issues, legislative issues, and other items as needed. The chairperson of each advisory board sits on the SEECOM Executive Board as a non-voting member. The Executive Board, which meets monthly, is comprised of the Village Manager of Algonquin, Village Administrator of Cary, and the City Manager of Crystal Lake. This board provides guidance and direction to maintain the financially stable consolidated center moving into the future. They determine general policies, approve and adopt the annual budget, enter into contracts, appoint the executive director, ensure an annual audit is conducted, review monthly expenditures, review bylaws, approve new members, along with several other vital functions. SEECOM's 189-foot monopole and radio building are located on the property and connected to the center via a fiber connection. The secure IT server room houses infrastructure for SEECOM, including radio systems, alarm monitoring equipment, and e-dispatch alerting systems. Also contained in this area are redundant CAD servers and backup CAD and phone equipment for the ETSB. This area is cooled by redundant HVAC systems, has 3 fire suppression systems, and a water leak detection system in place. Both structures have uninterruptible power supplies, UPS, and generators in place to maintain mission-critical functions without downtime caused by power-related issues. Each facility also has an electrical service tap box installed in the event a temporary generator needs to be hooked up. Looking into the future, SEECOM is currently working with the City of Crystal Lake and McHenry County to connect fiber to the center from Route 14 as part of a large-scale initiative. This vital improvement will assist in connecting to the Emergency Telephone System Board for next-generation 911 equipment and provide necessary bandwidth to improve services. SEECOM is actively engaged in consolidation discussions, which will bring smart growth to the agency and benefit the communities which we serve. The ability to expand within our current footprint was planned during initial construction in 2004 and can quickly allow us to add equipment, staff, to handle additional call volume.